Yes. Now I will take convex surface. I will show how the diagram. Actually, first diagram in concave surface I have drawn already to save the time. But here I need to explain you how to draw. Here the convex surface. This is the convex surface of glass or any other transparent material. So this is a part of glass slab whose one face is convex. You can think like that. Basically, it was a glass slab whose this face was had been convex. So here the pole, and the pole, and here will be the C, center of curvature, somewhere. We join this principal axis and center of curvature, C, and this is pole P, and it is index N of the surface. Object O is placed somewhere here. So ray of light traveling along principal axis will reach the eye direct. I will see. So, but to form the image, we need two rays at least. Another ray starting from here is incident. We need angle of incidence. Angle of incidence is the angle between normal ray and incidence ray. So this is the normal here. Radius perpendicular to tangent. तो ये यहाँ पर जो radius होगा यही perpendicular होगा. PC equal to R. Then now this light ray is going from air to glass. Rarer to denser, bend toward the normal. It may bend like this, and will really meet the principal axis. And here is the real image. In concave surface, I drawn the virtual image. Here is the real, because the refracted rays has really meet this point. So for this eye, this object O will be seen here, and it is the real image object O. Please try to understand. This is very important part of ray optics. Remember the sign convention. Different people are using a different convention, but I don't agree with some bogus. They use only coordinate axis, coordinate sign convention. I told you that distance is measured along the principal axis, or measured from pole. Distance is measured along incidence ray positive. Opposite negative, vertical here, positive, downward negative. So this is normal here, and this is angle I, this is angle R. Now I take the same convention alpha, then beta, and this gamma. Point A, it will be close to P, so P dash and P will supposed to be coinciding each other because the surfaces are not large. By you have lenses, you use lenses, size of lens, objects are very far away. And so these angles are small, alpha, beta, gamma, I and R will be small. You have got O is the point object, ray falling at pole along axis go straight, another ray taken at point A is incident with angle of incidence I and get refracted and meet principal axis at point I the image. Now from Snell's law, Snell's law, and different index of glass with respect to air, sin I upon sin R. But here, as I and R is small angle, small angles. So sin I equal to I, sin r equal to r, and hence n equal to I upon r, or I equal to nr. This diagram is given in every book, and generally in exam they draw this diagram only up to this part. कहते हैं complete the path diagram and obtain refraction formula. Now I and R is small. From in figure, there is triangle AOC. In triangle AOC, I is the axis angle. In triangle AOC, I is the axis angle. And axis angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So here I is equal to alpha plus gamma होगा. So I is equal to alpha plus gamma. Again in triangle, from triangle in triangle ACI, again alpha equal to r plus beta, and hence r equal to, writing directly, alpha minus beta, because alpha equal to r plus beta, so r equal to alpha minus beta, and putting these values we get here in 1. Putting these values in equation in 1, I alpha plus gamma is equal to n into alpha minus beta, or you can rearrange it. How? Alpha plus gamma equal to n alpha minus n beta, or n beta, what is n index, plus gamma is equal to alpha into n minus 1. Since angle alpha, beta and gamma are small angles, so height h, na? So P dash supposed to coincide P dash coincide with P, because अल्फा बीटा स्मॉल अगर होंगे तो यहीं आ जाएगा ना. वो तो डायग्राम बड़ा बना है हमने, because of a large diagram it look like that, and therefore alpha is equal to tan alpha is equal to h upon pc, यानी h upon pc. now positive r, now r is positive, gamma tan gamma h upon PO is equal to h upon minus u to negative. Distances measured from pole, distances along the axis measured from pole, and distances measured opposite incidence is negative and the direction positive. Beta, tan beta is equal to h upon pi यानी कि h upon v. Putting these value in equation 2, putting the values of alpha, beta, gamma in equation 2, putting these values in equation 2, n into beta h upon v plus h upon minus u gamma alpha h upon r into n minus 1. Again h get cancelled or n upon v minus 1 upon u equal to n minus 1 upon r. Again you get the same formula. N upon v. Now for convex surface, R always positive, U always negative. For convex surface, तो यहाँ से n upon v, n upon नहीं लिखा है, n upon v equal to n minus 1 upon r और plus 1 upon u. For convex surface, since for convex surface are positive and u negative, so if and hence if n greater than 1, यानी कि ये मीडियम क्या हो, डेंसर मीडियम here through which refracting takes place is denser than from the medium from which ray is falling. Then for modulus 1 upon u less than n minus 1, v greater than 0 means positive. So image is virtual. Sorry, hence image will be real. यानी कि अगर u बहुत दूर होगा तब ये मॉडुलस u से छोटा हो जाता है. But if u is very small, if 1 upon u modulus greater than modulus n minus r, then v will be negative. And image will be or asra hai, and hence image may be real. Oh, virtual, sorry. Hence image will be virtual. Please remember it. Image may be real, virtual. If you use an object placed close to pole and this n more than 1. So you might be thinking how the diagram will be obtained. So for if object u O is placed close to P, I am drawing the diagram here. You can compare and remember that also. Because I have seen different exams, it has been asked. If this is the convex surface, with index n, and this is here pole, this is C, object is here, close to this. So the ray, it will be normal here. It may bend only this much, and may not meet this. It may, if we produce it back, it may appear to come from this point. Actually, when we use this direction, so line is not, line does not remain straight, natural fact. So this is angle R here now. This much is I. This is R. This is object, image I. ये image हमें, if we keep our eye here, this image will appear at point I, virtual image. But formula will be same, alpha, beta, gamma. Here will be H. P dash coincide with P. Again, you will get I equal to an R here. But here, this I is equal to alpha plus gamma. I am writing directly. Equal to N. R. R is in this triangle now. It will be alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. Now rearranging minus n beta plus gamma is equal to alpha into n minus 1. Beta here minus n into h upon minus b plus h upon minus u. It is h upon r. Formula will be obtained the same. That is n upon v minus 1 upon u equal to, when we will use these equations, known values will be put with proper sign and unknown sign will come itself. For real image, V positive. For virtual image, V negative आएगा अगर निकालना है. I will be telling a question, many questions here to you. This is important topic, most important for every exam, not only board exam. For every competitive exam, this is important. So I have done these refraction formulae for you. In coming video, I will be telling some more definition and formulae. Thank you.